Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your laptop. Sign into your Google account and confirm you can manage security prompts. Next, install an Android emulator or Android Studio because the Play Store only runs inside Android environments on a PC. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS so the emulator runs smoothly. Make sure you also download the Android SDK and Google Play System images. These steps let you run a genuine Android device image, which is the only reliable way to access the Play Store on a laptop. Open the Emulator Manager and create a new Android virtual device using a system image labeled with Play Store support. This is essential because standard images lack Google Play services. Allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM and enable GPU acceleration for performance. Launch the AVD, then open the Play Store app inside the virtual device and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, Google Play will sync. Make sure to accept permissions and update Play services when prompted so apps now install apps directly from the Play Store inside the emulator just as you would on a phone. Search, tap Install, and wait. If you encounter sign-in failures, clear Play Store and Google Services framework data in Settings, then reboot the virtual device. If that fails, recreate the AVD with the same Play-enabled image. Once apps are installed, move shortcuts or use file sharing to access app data on your laptop. Remember to keep the emulator, SDK, and Google Play services updated to avoid future compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.